Hello beautiful people, I am very hotspot. Welcome back to my channel. I am going somewhere to a place that you all have been waiting to see, and I am so late. I am still making this vlog and there's a lot of noise, but right now I am running to the stationery shop because I need to take a printout. So I'll keep you posted. I'll see you. Bye. Hi, I hope you can hear me. So I just got a printout of mine, and okay, let me tell you, I am going to college because we need to collect our mark sheet and leaving certificate. But so I had to take the printout of my hall ticket. I went for that and I was supposed to leave way early, but I had a meeting before this and I'm so late. I was supposed to go by bus, but I'm so late. So I'm going with mom on the bike now. I hope you can hear me. It is raining subah se and now suddenly it has stopped. I'm just Hi guys, I went to college. एकदम फट not even 2 minutes का walk it was, and now I've got mom to walk, which is right next to the college. So let's go. I got home, but I'm back at the stationery because if you can't hear me, I need to buy canvas So let me get back to you. Heading to another stationery because I didn't get what I wanted. Yaar, can you hear me or not? Hi, finally. I'm going to sit down and speak to you. Hi. Okay, so now I'll tell you the story. Can you hear me or am I shouting? Yeah. So, in the morning, 8 o'clock, I got up and I saw it was raining so heavily. Full night it was raining so heavily. So I messaged in our class group that, ma'am, it's raining very heavily. Can this be rescheduled or will we get another chance? And after some time, ma'am replied saying that these are your important documents. So anyways, I was going to go. The rain's reduced by around 10:30, 10:45, 11, and it's drizzling again, yaar. Abhi dhoop has come and it is drizzling. Anyways, fat I'll talk. So then I left, like I got late, so 11:45 something I left, and then we went to college, and then you saw. So now, Vogue ka story. When we went to Vogue, they said you can't order here, you have to scan and then online you have to order and pay online. So there was another lady with her daughter, and we were ordering, mom and I were ordering, and she says that we paid but the money has got deducted from us, but it's not reached them, so they're not giving us the food also, and the money is also gone, so don't order. So we did not order, and we went from Vogue to Churchgate station again, and from there we took 2 Frankies like you saw, and then we went to Raju Sandwich HR college. If my HR friends are watching, hi. And then we left from there, and it was raining, so I didn't have a raincoat. I was holding the umbrella piche bike pe, and the umbrella turned ulta, hai na? Yeah. It turned ulta, and then after that it broke. Like first though it turned ulta, then when it became straight, the 2 of the legs didn't break, but they bent. And then the half of the way I was like this. It was fun. It was really fun. And what else? What updates I have to give you? There was nobody with respect to admission process over there. It was very straight, like go 2 minutes mein fat give your hall ticket, take your mark sheet and leaving certificate, and leave. So I didn't have much time, otherwise I would have just walked through the campus and shown properly and something, but we were not allowed. So anyways, we go to college very soon, and then when we came back, so I had to go to buy canvas. I didn't get it in one shop. Then I went to the other shop. I didn't get it in the other shop. So then I came back home. So now I'll have to check online and order it. And so for those of you, so many of you have messaged me on Instagram asking for admission process of this, of that stream, of this and that. So guys, I am not in the faculty. How much ever possible, I can answer your questions, whatever knowledge I have, but I will not give you a surety on any of it, because like I said, I'm not the faculty, so I don't know the exact thing. My admission procedure also I am not filming because it's different. There are like so many different categories, so it's different for different people. But one thing I would suggest, please keep a tab on the Jai Hind College website. It is jaihindcollege.in. It's a new website that they've redone, and most of the announcements are over there. If there's anything, they have their helpline. You can contact. They are very quick in responding within a day. They should respond day or two max. So you can do that. Degree college admissions have just taken place, like the filling the form.
now all the lists are coming out, so I don't think degree is opening. And with respect to junior college, I'm not sure if fresh first year this has started, because they've mostly promoted the existing ones to SYJC and so on. So I'm not really sure. Please keep a tab on the website, and with respect to other things, how much ever I can help, I will help you. That is it. I have spoken. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.